name is Inna Braverman, founder and CEO of EcoWave Power. EcoWave Power developed a unique, revolutionary technology for generation of clean electricity from ocean and sea waves. Our technology is smart, simple, and cost-efficient. The floaters are connecting to existing man-made structures such as piers, breakwaters, jetties. They're going up and down with the movement of the wave, pushing the hydraulic cylinder, which transform the kinetic energy of the waves to clean electricity. I established the company when I was 24 years old, and now the company is already publicly traded on Nasdaq under the stock symbol WAVE. The company is really a personal journey of mine, because although I live in Israel, I was born in Ukraine in 1986, and 2 weeks after I was born, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster happened, and I was one of the babies that got hurt from the explosion. I actually had a respiratory arrest and a clinical death. Luckily, my mother, a nurse, came to the crib on time and gave me a mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, which saved my life. I got a second chance in life, and I really want to do something good with it. And I believe that wave energy is my good thing for the world. Wave energy on its own can produce twice the amount of electricity that the world produces now. So join the wave energy revolution by investing in wave energy, researching wave energy, legislating for wave energy, or even working for wave energy. Thank you.